Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see subject English and it's from poem 7, book exercise only we are going to see, and it's session 34. Okay children, in the last class we learned the poem, isn't it children? I think many of them have tried, isn't it? But only for few students I could have asked. So don't worry children, when I have time I will be asking. Okay children, but learn this poem, but it's not for writing, it's only for oral. Writing I will give another poem only. Okay children, so read this poem and you try to sing. Okay children, we'll see the book exercise now. Okay children, my mother book exercise, and it's given in page number 82. All of you take a book children. You take, while I'm reading you also try to read, so that it will be very easy for you. The reading habit will come, reading practice will come. Whenever we give questions you can read. You no need to no need to struggle for reading. So children, while I am reading you also try to read. Okay children, if you have pencil you also start to write. Okay, first one we are going to see, circle the correct words within the brackets. Circle the correct words within the brackets. Okay, so number 1, the mother would shed tears of. The mother would shed tears of joy or sorrow while watching her baby sleep. Children, what the mother will be? She will be very sorrow. Sorrow means sad. She'll be happy or sad children? She'll be happy. So what will come children? Joy. You have to circle this one, joy. Okay children, the mother would shed tears of joy while watching her baby sleep. Okay, the second one, the mother taught the child how to play or swim. Children, what she will teach when they were child? What she will teach you? She will teach you how to play. She will teach how to play. Okay, and the third one, the mother would never or always listen to anything the child said. What she will do children? She will never listen or she will always listen? She will always listen. She will never what she will say, hey, don't tell, like that she won't say, isn't it? Whatever the child speaks, she'll be hearing politely. Okay children, and the fourth one, the mother would dash, run away or run to help when the child fell down. When the child fell down, the mother will run away or she will be go to help children. She will always help, isn't it? She will run to help. She will run to help. Okay, coming to the fifth one, the mother kissed the child's doll or child when she got hurt. What she will do children? The mother kissed. She will kiss the child's doll or child children? Child. She will be kissing the child when she got hurt. Okay, and the last one, the child can never be kind or cruel to her mother. The child can never be cruel to her mother. The child could never be cruel to her mother. Okay, so the first one is over. All of them are thorough children. You also read along with me and you have to circle with a pencil. Okay children, and the second one, answer these questions I have sent, isn't it? In session 33 itself I have sent. Children, you have copied down, I think so, because we are going to ask for correction. So no one should say, Miss, I didn't copy, I didn't receive, I am out of station, I have no notebook. No one should say children. All of them should copy down and you have to bring it to school. Okay children? Okay. And the C1, use the clues to complete the word pyramid. Pyramid means it will be like a triangle shape, pyramid, isn't it children? For that one only. But see here, all the first two letters are the same letters. M-O, M-O, M-O. See, M-O, M-O, M-O. See here the clues are given. A crowd, night insect, January is one of these. She loves you best of all. The early part of the day, a very high place to climb. So here are the clues they have given. By reading this clue, you have to find out what word is this one. So a crowd means what, children? A crowd means mob. What they will say? Mob. M-O-B, mob. In moral lesson it comes, I think so. A crowd means what? A mob. Okay, M-O-B, mob. Night insect. Night insect means what will come, children? Moth. M-O-T-H, moth. Understood, children? They will say this, if it falls on our eyes, the eyes will become blind, like that they will tell. It will be like what we can say, like I don't know, it's like a bee only, it will be like this. I don't know, I will see the picture and I'll send you later. Okay, children? Okay, children, this is moth. Okay, children, this insect is called, it will be like a butterfly only. It will fly in the night, and if it falls in our eyes, they will say we will become blind, like that they will be telling. Okay, children? Okay, this is moth. Okay, coming to the third one. January is one of these. Can you guess, children? Which January means what we say? Year or month, children? January is a month. It comes in the year. Okay, what we'll say? January month. M-O-N-T-H, month. January is a month. M-O-N-T-H, month. We can easily find out by guessing these two letters itself. She loves you best of all. Who loves you best of all, children? Yes, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Okay. And coming to the fifth one, the early part of the day. What early part of the day means? What we call, children? Starting day, what we say? Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Okay. A very high place to climb. Can you guess what is this, children? What is this? Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Okay. Are you thorough, children? Moth, month, mother, morning, mountain. Okay. Here, coming to the D1, tick the correct words within the brackets. See, two words are given. See, here you have to be very careful. The pronunciation is same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. See, here quite only they have given, see, I-E-T. But here quite what they have given? I-T-E. Okay, children? So, what, children? The pronunciation is same. Quite. But the spellings and the meanings are different. The spellings and the meanings are different. So, you have to find out which word suits this sentence and which word suits this sentence. You have to find out. Okay, children? Okay. This is a dash neighborhood. What will come, children? First one, what will come? Any guess you are having, children? This is quite neighborhood. Okay. And the next one, we have lived here for quite a long time. See, here Q-U-I-T-E will come, and here Q-U-I-E-T will come. Okay, children? Listen carefully, and while putting tick, you have to put the correct word. The second one, I have dash dogs. Which two will come, children? This also two, this also two. Which two will come, children? This two will come, isn't it? Two dogs. They have dash wild to live inside the house. They are wild. They are too wild. This two will come. They are too wild to live inside the house. Okay, coming to the third one. This is dash house. What will come, children? There. Which there will come? T-H-E-I-R or T-H-E-R-E, children? T-H-E-I-R. Their house. Our house is over there. Our house is over there. Okay, children? Okay, coming to the fourth one. We have already finished packing. Which already will come, children? We have already finished packing. We have already finished packing. We are all ready. See, all this is different. All ready to leave. We are all ready to leave. Number 5th one. This book has a few dash pages, loose pages. So which loose will come, children? L-O-S-E or L-O-O-S-E? L-O-O-S-E. Loose pages. Please don't lose any of them. This loose will come. Understood, children? You again and again you read this sentence so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, children? And now, see, we are going to see adverbs are of 3 types. How many types are there, children? Adverbs are of 3 types. The first one is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner means what? It tells us how an action is done. Tells us how an action is done. So, for example, they have given, see, politely, easily, happily, like that. Okay, children? These are the actions. Neatly, loudly, that and all will come what? Action. Okay, children? Okay. Adverbs of place. First one, adverbs of manner, and second, adverbs of place. This tells us where an action is done. Tells us where. This one, how an action is done. Here, how. You have to see the differentiate here. How an action is done. Here, where an action is done. So, what, children? Example, there, outside, nearby, inside. Okay, children? Out, there, that and all. Where an action is done. That is called what? Adverbs of place. And the third one is adverbs of time. Time tells us when an action is done. See here, how an action, where an action is done. Here, when an action is done. So, when means what? Example will come, children. Yesterday, soon, never, tomorrow, today. That and all, when an action is done. Okay, children, are you thorough? Okay, now, here, see, fill in the blanks with the ly forms of the words in the box. So, here they have given soft, neat, loving, quick, loud. Okay, children. But while writing, what you have to do? You have to add ly. You have to add ly to this sentences. Okay. Radha writes. What will come, children? Any guess you have, children? Radha writes. What will come? Soft, neat, loving, quick or loud? Neat, isn't it? So while writing here, what you have to write? You have to add ly. So what will come, children? Neatly. 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 Okay, children? And the second one, Jasper speaks dash. Jasper speaks dash. What will come? You can write loudly also, it's correct. But that one will come in the next one. So, what will come, children? Softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y. If you write loudly also, no problem. Okay, children? It's correct only. Okay? Third one. The proud father held his baby. What will come, children? Lovingly. Loving means if you add ly, what will come? Lovingly. Okay, children? The fourth one. Tara slammed the door, dash, and ran out of the room. So, what will come, children? Tara slammed the door, dash, and ran out of the room. Loudly. Loud is the loudly. You also, children, when you go out to play, what you will do? You will open the door and you will shut the door so loudly and you will run off. Isn't it, children? Okay. Number 5th one. Fairly dressed, dash and ran out to catch the school bus. So what is remaining? Quick. Quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. Okay, children? Okay. I think all are thorough in this one. Radha writes neatly. Jasper speaks softly. The proud father held his baby lovingly. Tara slammed the door loudly and ran out of the room. Number 5, Farley dressed quickly and ran out to catch the school bus. Okay. coming to the F1, circle the adverbs of place in these sentences. You have to circle the adverbs. Children, you've learned there isn't it 3 types of adverbs are there. So by reading that you have to read and you have to circle. The sun shines everywhere. What will come, children? See, it tells the time, isn't it? Yesterday, soon, never. So everywhere also what will come, children? What will come? It's a place, isn't it? It's a place. The sun shines everywhere. There, quickly, outside, nearby. Okay, children? It's a adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. Okay. See, here also they have given. Circle the adverbs of place only they have given. So, okay. Mother is working upstairs. What will come, children? Upstairs. This one only. This is the place. This is the place. So, adverbs of place. Number 3. You go ahead and I will follow you. See, what will come, children, here? You go ahead and I will follow you. So, ahead. Okay, children, you go, I will follow you. That one only meaning. Okay, children, you go first or what? You go there, I will follow you. Like that only meaning. Okay. Number 4. Simar had lived here most of her life. Simar lived here most of her life. So, what will come, children? Here. Here. Okay, children, this is adverbs of place. Number 5th one. It is about to rain. Don't go outside. Any guess, children? It is about to rain. Don't go outside. What will come, children? Outside. You should not think only these 3 sentences apply. These 3 sentences adverbs of place. More is that this is an example only. Okay, children? So this also adverbs of place. Everywhere, upstairs, ahead, here, outside. This also adverbs. Okay, children, coming to the last one. Circle the adverbs of time. Here you have circled the adverbs of place. Here you are going to circle adverbs of time. Okay, children, be careful while circling. Okay. Palash will come today. Palash will come today. What will come, children? Time means what? Today. Okay, children, today is the adverbs of time. Okay. Second one. We got up late and missed the bus. Late. This is called what? Adverbs of time. Late is the adverbs of time. And coming to the third one. You rarely writes to his grandmother. You rarely writes to his grandmother means what? Rarely. Rarely is the adverbs of time. And the 4th one, my father takes the metro to work daily. See, easily, children, while reading itself you can find out. My father takes the metro to work daily. Okay. Number 5th one, please tidy up your room immediately. Tidy up your room immediately. So, what will come, children? What will come? Immediately. Okay, children, clean. Tidy, clean. You have to clean the room immediately. Okay, children. Okay, the last one. It wasn't this hot yesterday. It wasn't this hot yesterday. So, what will come, children? Adverbs of time. Yesterday. Okay, children. Are you thorough, children? Palash will come today. We got up late and missed the bus. You rarely writes to his grandmother. My father takes the metro to work daily. Please tidy up your room immediately. It wasn't this hot yesterday. Okay, children. And this, see, H1 is homework. See, this is, I will write in the composition note also. But I want to know how you will write about your mother. See, write a paragraph about your mother. How you love your mother, I will find out. So, children, what you have to do, you can write 10 paragraph also you can write. You can write a paragraph of your mother, and see, you may use words and phrases from the poem also you can use. So, you have to write a paragraph and you have to send it to my personal WhatsApp. But it's a waste only, I am thinking, because whenever I take YouTube class, I am telling, children, do the homework and send it to me. Children, do it. But no, only few students, around 54 children are attending the Zoom class, but only 10 students are sending. I am very much worried, children. Children, don't take it easy, children. So you have to work hard. Simply you are telling, 1 year waste of. No, don't think like that. Then you will be the loser next year. So children, whatever I say, you complete everything, children. So this time I will see how many of them have sent to me, and I will read out in the Zoom class. Monday Zoom class, I will read out how many of them have sent to me this homework. Write a paragraph about your mother. Okay, children, we'll see in the next class. Take care. Bye.